Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to extend a warm welcome everyone who is watching my video, and I'm very thankful to you guys who is watching my video. And so without any delay, let's get started today video. Today topic is how to improve our daily routine English part. So let's get started without any delay. If you are going for doing anything in your daily life, like if you are woke up and that time try to speak in English. If you are going somewhere, that time you also you will have to practice to speak in English. Like आप कहीं जा रहे हो और आप करो मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ, तो आप उस टाइम सोचो, थिंक दैट टाइम मैं जा रहा हूँ, इसका इंग्लिश में क्या होगा। रहा हूँ आया मतलब प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, उसमें क्या लगता है इज आर एम, तो दैट टाइम यू कैन से आई एम गोइंग देयर, मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ। इस तरह से like that you can practice your English. I will also try to make a video like this, how I doing this thing in my daily routine, so you can easily understand this thing. But you can also practice this thing in your daily routine. This technique is also very helpful for improving our English, because we are practicing with our daily routine, and by practicing like this we can easily speak English. So try to uh, um, try to improve your English like this, okay. And you can also take help of your family member, and anyone can also like to help to you in this thing. And yes, one most important thing is when you are going for sleeping, then that time try to write down a diary, maintain a diary. Before sleeping, try to write down your whole day in English, and try to recognize your mistake in your written part. Things is also very helpful. If I show you, give me 1 minute. Like this, and this is my diary. I always try to write down my whole day, and my mistakes, my negative things, positive things, and all the things in this diary I write down, and try to read my diary and try to find out my mistake. Because I have also no any friend by whom I practice. So you can see here I'm trying to write down. I'm good in writing part, and I'm also good in English in written part. But sometimes when I'm going to speak, that time I got stuck because of lack of practice, and because I am also a UP board student. There we are not speaking English in our daily life, so that's why I'm not this much good, but I try to give my best. If someone laughing on me, then I not uh, if someone laughing on me, then it is common for everyone. Then I don't uh, see this thing. Only I'm seeing myself and my routine and all the things. You can see I write many things, my thought, my daily routine, and all the things in English. So by like this you can also practice, okay. um, uh, One times I suggest you try to write down 1 week. After that you realize that you are good in English, you are good to find your mistake. So I just try to doing this thing and practice on daily basis. So you can also do this thing. This technique is very helpful. So till the time, bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video.